Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back to new session. Okay, in this particular session, we are learning about Git flow. Okay, and its command. Okay, basic Git commands and also how to clone the project, how to create the feature branch, how to commit your changes, how to merge the feature branch. Okay, like how to take the pull if some of your teammate push the code, how to take the pull. Everything we will check in this particular video. Okay, so before going to that, we need to understand what is Git flow. Okay, Git flow is also like a similar kind of Git. Okay, so but here, as the name says, flow. Okay, flow means everything the product development life cycle will be carried out with the branching levels. Okay, so there are in Git flow there are multiple branches with their tags. Okay, so for example, you might have heard about features which might be releasing every quarterly or every 15 to 1 month, 15 days to 1 month, every new features will be released. So how it will be done? Okay, so you might have that question, right? So what we are going to do it here means in Git flow there will be a one branch. Okay, means the production branch. Okay, production branch will be the main branch. Okay, which is very crucial. Okay, why it is very crucial means so many users, okay, like we as a client we are using that branch source code. Okay, so product managers, they will tell don't touch the main branch until unless your code is stabilized in release branch or in hotfix branch or in other branches. Okay, so let's see how these particular branches are formed. Okay, so let's consider I am building an inspiration app. Okay, so in inspiration app, okay, so what I will do as a team lead, I will create an basic structure of the project. Okay, means basic repository I will create. So from that particular repository, like who are all the team leads, okay, not the product leads, okay, team leads, they will be creating multiple branches by taking the base code. Means this main branch source code, they will keep it as a base. Okay, because all the code which we are going to build and later on those code will be merged to main branch only. Okay, so how we are going to do the next levels means from main branch, your team leads, okay, will be creating the develop branch. Okay, so forget about this release. As of now we are not going to talk about release. Okay, first our task is to create a develop branch. Okay, so from where the source code is taken means the source code will be taken from the main branch to the develop branch. Okay, so in develop branch the development lifecycle will start. Okay, in development lifecycle, how it is going to be started means, like if you consider, okay, like for inspiration app I need to create a header menu, means navigation menu. So what I will do, I will create a new feature branch with the name called navigation menu. Okay, so once my development is completely finished, since I am doing the development work, I will do first unit testing. Okay, so all the performance, or is it responsive, performing well or not, we will test all those things. Once everything is tested by me perfectly, so I will tell to my team leads that my code is done. Okay, so he will also verify once and he will merge that particular code to the develop branch at first. Okay, once product managers or product leads, once they tell, yeah, so we can go to M2Q. M2Q is nothing but move to QA testing. Here testing team will be involved to do to check the performance of our developments, like feature branch, whatever the development we have worked na. So they will be tested. Okay, they will be tested upon integrating to develop branch. Okay, so I hope this much clear. So what happens in QA testing? They will do manual testing. They will do automation testing. Okay, so whoever watching as a testing team, testing team testers. Okay, you might know. Okay, what is manual testing and what is automation testing. So once testing team lead is gave green signal. Okay, this particular source code will move to, will move to release. Okay, so for another level of testing. Okay, so once that particular testing is fully finalized, okay, so that particular source code will be merged to main branch. Okay, once this is finalized, the release branch, once release branch code is finalized, okay, all the codes like is validated. Okay, let's consider a testing team validated all the features is working great. Okay, so like we will be merged this particular I mean whatever the code we have in release branch to the main branch and develop branch. Okay, so let's consider sometimes what happens, testing team might have forgotten to test one scenario. Okay, so they initiated green signal to push the changes. That time what happens, na? That time when the users or a client find out any defect in the production branch, they will initiate to create a new branch called hotfix branch. Okay, hotfix branch is nothing but it is like a see, you can see all these branches have different color, it is in red color. Okay, so like a red color is nothing but very crucial, that is I mean that is causing problem to the workflow. Okay, so in certain scenario, like if you are watching Disney cricket match, okay, in Hotstar you are watching cricket match. Like in live cricket match, if the product get broken, means it will be like a defaming. I mean defamation, or like it will be like a I mean loss of quality in the product, right? Loss of quality in the source code. So that time, if hotfix branch is created, means this particular branch issue needs to be fixed within 2 to 3 hours. Okay, by leaving all your work. So till now we discussed the types of branches and like what each branch is going to do, that one. Okay, so in simple I will tell again. So first we will be having main branch. From main branch we will take the code to develop branch. From develop branch we can have a multiple feature branches. Once unit testing is done, this particular feature branch will merge to develop branch, and once everything is perfect, okay, so what we will do, the code what we have in develop branch, we will create a release and we will start for M2Q activity, means move to like a QA testing. Once move to, like M2Q is done, testing is done and everything is performing well, then what we will do, like we will merge the same code to like a production branch. If the production branch is having any issues, we will create a hotfix branch. Got it? So I hope till this you are clear. So in next particular video, what we are going to do, we are going to see all these things in live. Okay, like we will do from the scratch how each steps is carried out. We will check in detail. Okay, so don't worry. Thank you.